Hi, my name is Christy. I am here to show you a little review on the Cotsoco massager. It is battery powered. You can use it anywhere. The heat is optional. It's got 16 modes, 15-minute auto shut off, and it won't overheat. So let's look at this and check out the functions of this massager. Okay, so this is the box it comes in. We're gonna do like this and pull it out of the box. Alright. Oh, it's a cute little bag you can carry it in. It's got the charger in the bottom here. And it does have the instructions on how to use it. But it looks like it's gonna be pretty explanatory. We'll go through this together and look at it. So it looks like it fits nice and snug in here. Plus you can probably put a charger in here as well so you keep everything together. Indeed. Take it out of here so we can see it. All right. So this is what it's like. So you obviously would go over your neck like this. So here's your power button. It looks like it has a cord here too, where I guess you could plug it in. How it charges. And it does massage. I've got on a coat right now, but I can definitely feel a massage. So when you turn it on, it automatically starts massaging. This button is like changing the rotation of it. So I can feel it going. This button is going to be like an up and down movement, it feels like. So it's a different function. Like these buttons you definitely have to play with. So these are different massage functions. And I believe, I'm gonna hold on to this, that, yeah, so that changes it up. And then it changes the rotation. And I believe this one is your heat. So right here, if you want to turn your heat on, I actually kind of feel it a little bit now through the coat. So it's supposed to help. And then obviously you just want to hit your power button again and it's off. So you want to, this is actually good for somebody who's has tight muscles, wants to loosen up their back muscles or neck area. That always seems to be an issue with people, especially people who are athletes and do a lot of outside activity, and this can really get strained and stressed. So these massagers can really help, massage and loosen up that area. It has, so obviously you can take the power part out of it, you can unzip this, we're not gonna do all that, but you can see the inside of how it's made. But really when you're done with it, you can just hold it back up and stick it back into the case. So I'd say this is a pretty simple massager. It's just buttons and you're hitting different modes on the buttons. When I push the buttons, I think if you click different times on the button, you're gonna feel it. You'll have to put it on, but you'll feel the different modes working in different parts of the muscle. So, and then you have this cord here, which is part of the charging as well. And you just put all that stuff back in there, and then so store it whenever and then use it whenever, and then the instructions come with it. But it tells you your different modes, and it tells you the heating button, and it tells you, this is actually a pamphlet. This is actually pretty nifty. So it tells you the speeds and stuff on here if you want to get a little bit more technical and find out more about it. But it's a pretty simple product. It's very easy to use. The massage felt pretty good even though I had the coat on, so that was nice. But yeah, I would say this is a great product and you should definitely go check it out. You can get it on Amazon for sure at easy shipping, house 1 to 2 days. So yeah, go check it out. Thanks for watching.